The digestive system is a group of organs which work together to convert food into energy and basic nutrients for the body. It consists of the gastrointestinal GI tract or the alimentary canal and the accessory digestive organs. The gastrointestinal tract is a continuous muscular tube that extends from the mouth to the anus. Various organs are part of the GI tract. These include the buccal cavity or oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and the large intestine. The accessory digestive organs include the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The food is first ingested in the mouth. Here it's ground by the teeth and mixed with saliva with the help of the tongue. Saliva secreted by the salivary glands converts starch in the food to sugar and also softens the food. The soft, flexible mass of food that's formed, called bolus, is easily swallowed and passed into the pharynx. The pharynx is a muscular, funnel-shaped tube into which the food passes from the mouth. The muscular contractions in this organ help to propel food into the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that secretes mucus and transports food into the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ which connects the esophagus to the duodenum. It serves as reservoir for food before release into the small intestine. In the stomach, the food is mixed with saliva and gastric juice to form chyme. Digestion of starch and triglycerides continues, while gastric juice, which contains HCl, kills bacteria and denatures proteins. From the stomach, chyme passes into the small intestine. Chemical digestion in the small intestine depends on activities of the pancreas, liver, and the gallbladder. The pancreas lies posterior to the greater curvature of the stomach. The pancreatic cells secrete a mixture of fluid and digestive enzymes called pancreatic juice. Other hormones secreted are glucagon, insulin, somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide. The pancreatic juices are transported via two ducts to the small intestine. The liver is the heaviest gland of the body. It's divided into two principal lobes, a large right lobe and a smaller left lobe. The liver cells secrete an excretory and digestive secretion called bile. The liver also performs many other vital functions such as maintaining blood glucose levels, lipid and protein metabolism, processing of drugs and hormones, synthesis of bile salts, storage of vitamins and minerals, phagocytosis, and activation of vitamin D. The gallbladder is a small pear-shaped sac located near the posterior surface of the liver. The functions of the gallbladder are to store and concentrate the bile produced by the liver and release it as needed via the common bile duct in the small intestine. The small intestine is a long tube which connects the stomach with the large intestine. It's divided into three regions, the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum, which is the final and longest portion of the small intestine. Partially digested carbohydrates, proteins, and liquids which enter the small intestine as chyme are completely digested here with the collective action of the pancreatic juice, bile, and intestinal juice. Passage of digested nutrients from the gastrointestinal tract into the blood or lymph is called absorption. About 90% of all absorption occurs in the small intestine. The large intestine is the terminal portion of the GI tract. It has four major structural regions, namely the cecum, colon, rectum, and anal canal. Functions of the large intestine are completion of absorption, production of certain vitamins, formation of feces, and its expulsion from the body through the anus.